speculation that the government plans to amend the Handloom Act, which lists goods and textiles reserved for production by traditional weavers, has sent shockwaves across the sector, which is already in deep distress. Alok reports from Bihar.
Nalanda district was once famous for the Bawan Booty or the 52 motif sari. Worn at weddings and festivals, it was inspired by Buddhist mythology. Today there is no resonance of the Bawan Booty or of the Maldehi, Sundarai or Kirkiri saris in the village of Nepura, which has 50 families of handloom weavers struggling to survive. Lakshmi Prasad and his wife Lalita work from dawn to dusk, earning just 150 rupees a day between them.
नहीं जब पैसा पड़ता है ना इसीलिए बाहर चल जाते हैं दो पैसा कमाने के लिए.
In his neighbor Shivanand Prasad's home, the whole family pitches in, from preparing the yarn to washing and finishing the cloth.
एक आदमी का ही काम ही नहीं है सर. ये एग्रीकल्चर तो नहीं है कि 2 घंटा में खेत पटा लिया, 2 घंटा में महीने कर लिया, चलिए काम छुट्टी. इसमें 24 घंटा रटने पड़ता है.
Requests for financial assistance were ignored, reducing by 50% the number of handloom weavers in Nepura.
कि सब्सिडी सरकार देती है और बैंक का जो रवैया रहा है भारत में, अभी हमने काफ़ी इस पर कड़ाई लागू किया है. जो कोटे दिए गए हैं हर एक बैंकों को अलग अलग दिए गए, उन कोटों को आप पूर्ण रूप से लागू करें. और अगर आप लागू नहीं करते तो आप पर स्वेच्छारित आरोप लगाते हुए आप पर FIR किए जाएंगे.
There are more than 30,000 handloom weavers in the state, and about 1.5 lakh people are involved in the pre- and post-loom processes.
This is Nepura's Bunkar Bhavan or Weaver Center, a project of the Bihar government to impart specialized training to the handloom workers here. The construction of this building started in 2011. The building came up about 2 or 3 months ago, but the weavers here say that till now not a single loom has been installed inside this building to impart any kind of training to the people here.
Many here believe it's because the politician Babu Nexus is more keen on upgrading or partially mechanizing these looms that will allow the funds for hand-woven fabrics to be accessed by the power loom sector. Lakshmi Prasad and Shivanand will then have to share their welfare schemes with an aggressive, better organized and politically influential competition. In Nalanda's Nepura village, with camera person Habib Ali, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.